Hey everyone, it's your girl Victoria, but with the energy of 1,000 suns because we're about to dive into the world of cybersecurity bug hunting. Ever wondered how people become those tech wizards who find hidden glitches and save the internet? Well, get ready to have your minds blown because I'm about to break it down into 10 bite-sized steps. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, or your favorite beanie because comfort is key, and let's get this digital party started. First things first, we gotta lay down some ground rules, or should I say, ground. Think of cybersecurity like building a digital fortress. You gotta know what you're protecting, right? That means understanding how networks work, how operating systems operate, and all those fancy security terms that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's gonna be lit. Okay, so you've got the basics down. Now it's time to add some coding magic to your repertoire. Don't worry, you don't need to become the next coding ninja overnight. Unless you want to, then go for it. Start with languages like Python and JavaScript. They're like the Beyoncé and Bruno Mars of the coding world. Super versatile, and everyone loves them. Now that you're fluent in code, it's time to think like the bad guys, but like the ethical kind, okay? Check out the OWASP Top 10. It's basically a hit list of the most common security weaknesses in web applications. Think of it like a cheat sheet for finding those digital cracks. Chapter 4. Tools of the trade gear up for bug hunting. Every superhero needs their gadgets, and bug hunters are no exception. Get ready to meet your new best friends: Burp Suite, OWASP Zap, Wireshark, and Nmap. These tools are like the Swiss Army knives of cybersecurity, helping you find and analyze those pesky vulnerabilities. Chapter 5. Bug Bounty Bonanza. Let the games begin. All right, rookies, time to put your skills to the test. Join bug bounty platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd, and Synack. They're like the digital coliseum where you can battle it out with other bug hunters for glory and rewards. Start small, learn the ropes, and work your way up to those big-time bounties. Chapter 6. Cybersecurity Chronicles. Stay ahead of the game. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, which means you gotta stay on top of your game. Think of it like fashion. New trends pop up all the time, and you don't want to be caught wearing last season's cybersecurity outfit. Imagine you're applying for a cybersecurity dream job. You walk in, resume in hand, and bam! You whip out a killer portfolio showcasing all the bugs you've squashed and vulnerabilities you've conquered. That's how you make a lasting impression. Document your findings, contribute to public databases, and watch those job offers roll in. Chapter 8. Community Collaboration. Join the bug hunting squad. Listen up, lone wolves. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be a solo mission. Join forces with fellow bug hunters by participating in Capture the Flag challenges. They're like digital escape rooms, but with more code and less claustrophobia. Chapter 9. Certification. Celebration. Become a certified pro. Want to add some extra sparkle to your cybersecurity resume? Certifications are the way to go. Think of them like badges of honor, proving you've got the skills and knowledge to conquer any digital threat. Chapter 10. Ethics and Legalities. Play by the rules, win like a boss. All right, future bug hunters, one last thing before you unleash your inner cybersecurity superhero ethics and legality. It's like this. You wouldn't break into someone's house to fix a leaky faucet, right? Same goes for bug hunting. Always get permission before testing systems and follow the rules of bug bounty programs. Outro ready, set, hunt. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful bug hunter in cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Happy hunting!